So I am doing a unboxing slash giveaway. Now I was sent a couple of boxes with, I'm assuming, some products in it. I'm not sure what's in it, so I'm gonna unbox it and find out. But whatever is in it, I'm gonna give it away to one of you guys. So look in the description box for details on how to enter the giveaway. Yeah, so let's go ahead and start unboxing. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'm really excited to see who ends up winning this bag of goodies. Yeah, if you have any questions about my hair or a hair regimen, then go ahead and join the Kibibi Hair Facebook group. I'll put the link below. And also, if you haven't already downloaded my free hair growth guide, then you can check out my blog at kibibihair.com to get the free guide. So, all right, I'll see you guys next time. Kisses, bye.